Hey there, Courage to Conquer Cancer team. I was checking out your Amazon strategy and I want to congratulate you on making it to Amazon. We know how difficult it is to navigate Amazon's policies. My name is Charles from my Amazon guy. It's my job to point out potential opportunities to brands that prioritize Amazon. And if you're okay with it, I'd like to show you some things I've noticed. Let's go ahead and start with your traffic. So currently you are indexing for 47 organic keywords, which gives you free exposure in Amazon. And I do see that you are running ads as well, which is the best way to grow sale. However, yeah, you may want to add more right now since you are skewing low on paid keywords, meaning you are underspending on ads. So we do recommend a 2-to-1 ratio. So for every two organic keywords, there should be at least one paid keyword. That's what we call the golden ratio. Now, let's take a look at how you are performing on your keyword as well. So we've got here mastectomy recovery supplies with over 12,000 searches. Tummy Talk Recovery Must-Haves with over 8,000, and then Mastectomy Shirt with over 1,400. The one thing that is similar on all of this highly relevant and highly searched keyword is that your product is ranking organically, as you can see here. However, you are not bidding on it. So yeah, being ranked in the double or triple digit organically means your product is very deep in the search results, making it difficult for customers to find on Amazon. So by bidding on this highly relevant and highly searched keywords, you can improve your visibility at the same time increase your organic ranking. Now, let's check how big your category is in Amazon. So just in the top 50 listings for this keyword right here, there's over $2.2 million in monthly revenue and sellers are averaging around $31,000. It looks like to me that there's a lot of market share still available for you to take advantage of. We can help increase your market share through SEO by utilizing conversion and click through rate as part of our SEO strategy. Now, let's take a look at your competition as well. Just a heads up, we are not comparing products here. We are just simply looking at how we can benefit from their strategy. Of course, there will be differences in quality, quantity, and pricing. So as you can see here for this brand, they have over 750 organic keywords, which is quite a huge difference compared to yours. And then they are also running ads, which is at 900. So this is one of the reasons or one of the factors why they have higher sales than you. Just in the past month alone, they managed to sell over 100 units and over $5,000 in monthly revenue. This could be you, by the way. We can help you close the gap by doing a keyword gap analysis. That's where we duplicate the words that have the highest search volume into your listings. We are going to look at least 10 competitors when doing the keyword gap analysis. Pick the words that most of them rank in the top 10 results with the most impressions. Find all of the relevant keywords and index it to your product for more customers. Now, where do we add those keywords? So first off, we can add them here in the title. So we can add at least 200 characters here. And in the bullet point as well, although this is already great, we could still optimize this one since we can add 250 to 500 characters as well. So right after doing the keyword gap analysis, we are going to optimize both. And then speaking of images, great set of images here. But yeah, you may want to add a video as well, or perhaps a lifestyle video showing the product in use, as it adds credibility towards the product and towards your store directly. And scrolling down, I noticed that you have your own brand story and A plus content, which is a really great addition towards your listing. One more thing you may want to add is a product grid like this one. So this is for product comparison and it will enable shoppers to quickly compare prices, view ratings, and add items directly to their cart. And last but not the least, alt text. So basically keywords hidden behind images. So yeah, right after doing the keyword gap analysis, we are going to add at least 100 characters per image. Okay. So yeah, that's all for me. My Amazon guy is a full service digital marketing agency managing over 400 brands and $7 million in monthly PPC spend. That's driving more than $1.2 billion in revenue for our clients. Our team is hands on across every pillar of growth, whether it's PPC, SEO, catalog troubleshooting, creative, and brand protection. Whether you are losing rank, overspending on ads, or perhaps need help scaling, we bring data-backed strategies that will deliver real results. Now, if you do found this video helpful, you can click the link below this video speak directly with an Amazon expert to start growing your sales on Amazon. Thank you and have a great day.